All right, so for everyone wondering, we have the bent piston and rod here. And this isn't the exact one I'm going to use. I will measure one of the other ones. This one's actually damaged. It's got all kinds of debris in it, but this one was already out of the motor. And I just got it home, so I wanted to do this to see what it weighs. So I have it set on grams, zeroed out, because this is Tiffany's food scale. So shh, don't tell anybody. Here's
What?
What? Huh?
What?
Don't worry about it. It's fine. So we got the original bent one. It weighs 1,636 grams. I take this one off. Still showing 0. Put this one on. 1,634 grams. That is a 2-gram difference between the two sets of pistons. This is going to be completely fine. Oh yeah, and none of them have bearings in it. It's 2 grams. It is not going to affect the engine balance in any way because they all are factory balanced to a certain spec. It's a factory piston. It's a factory crank. It is a low RPM motor that will never see over 5,000 RPM. This is going to work just fine with no problems at all. So just want to show you that because I was interested myself. But we got 2 grams difference between the whole piston setup. It's going to work out flawlessly. But straight, not so straight. That's why we're changing it.